Alright, this is question number 1. So first thing, solving using elimination, make sure all your variables are lined up. All of these are, so that's good. So next we're going to look to see, do either of our variables cancel out? So do they have the same coefficient with different signs? So one positive and one negative. I'm going to start looking at my x's. They both have the same coefficient, 4. One is positive and one is negative. So that means that these two are going to eliminate when we add them together. So we're just going to add our equations together. Again, we said these two eliminate, so they cancel out. Now negative 2y plus 8y is going to be the same as 8 minus 2, which would be 6y, equals, and then negative 12 plus negative 24. So they're both negative, so it's going to stay negative. And then it's going to be negative 36. So now I'm solving for y. So the last thing I need to do in order to solve for y is to get rid of the 6. I'm going to get rid of the 6 by dividing both sides by 6. So on this side, they cancel out. I have my y left. And on this side, negative 36 divided by 6 is, it's going to be negative 6. So now I have my equation solved for y. So now I'm going to plug in that negative 6 in for y into one of my original equations. It doesn't matter which equation you use, you're still going to get the same answer. I'm just going to use the top equation. So negative 4x minus 2. Now instead of writing y, I'm going to substitute in negative 6 and rewrite everything else equals negative 12. So now we're solving for x. So we have to simplify this equation first. Oh, did not mean to do that. So I need to simplify this part right here. So I need to multiply these two together. So negative 2 times negative 6. It's going to be negative and a negative makes a positive. And positive 12. And then bring down everything you didn't use. So bring down this negative 4x. And bring down this equals negative 12. Okay. So now again I'm solving for x. So now I need to get rid of everything besides x. So first I'm going to get rid of this. So the opposite of plus 12 is minus 12. So I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. These would cancel out. And now I'm bringing down everything I have left. Which should be negative 4x equals, now negative 12 minus 12. They're both negative. So it's going to be negative 24. And last thing we need to do to get x by itself is to divide both sides by negative 4 so that we can get rid of this negative 4. Make sure you're dividing by negative 4 on both sides. So this cancels out. All we have left is x equals negative 24 divided by negative 4. So negative divided by negative is a positive, and 24 divided by 4 is going to be 6. So our answer, put your x first and then your y. So it'll be 6, comma, negative 6 is our answer for number 1.